What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another recommendations video. You guys love my recommendations. Thank you. It means a lot to me that you guys like the products that I show you guys. And because I use a variety of products from affordable to mid-range to high-end and luxury, I thought I'll do a video where I show you guys expensive products that are more on the high-end side. These are products that I've tried, tested, they have shown me really good results, and these are some of my favorites as well. So yeah, let's get started. I've not done the let's get started intro in so long, I forgot how to do that. Right now these products are on an amazing discount on Amazon, so I will link all of them for you in case you want to buy anything. Let's start with a recent obsession of mine, and I cannot wait to restock it right now because it is at such a good price. This is by Beauty of Joseon. I hope that I'm saying that right. This is their Glow Deep Serum Rice Plus Alpha Arbutin Serum. मैंने इसको पूरा खत्म कर दिया है. Like literally this is an empty right now. I have liked this serum so much. You guys can see I'm breaking out a lot. I took this with me to Japan, and वहाँ पे for 2 weeks straight I used this सुबह शाम. And you guys won't believe I had so much acne, and this really helped to calm down the acne, and this also helped to like reduce acne marks. And as soon as I stopped using this, I started using like other skincare products because I'm also out of my moisturizer right now. You won't believe my acne is back, and जो pimples चले गए हैं उनके marks भी है, and other serums are simply not working, and except for one other serum. So that is how I know that this thing worked really well. It is very gentle on the skin, it is non-sticky, it hydrates your skin, and it really does what it's supposed to do. It works really well on pigmented areas, on dark spots. It also helps to give you that glow. So all in all, this is such a good investment, and I cannot wait to restock it and start using it again. This has been a lifesaver for me. Next is another skincare favorite जिसको मैंने इस serum के साथ pair किया था once I was back from Japan, and this is the Cosrx, the 6 peptide skin booster. I've used more than half of the bottle. This is already a restock because this stuff works so well. If you have very dry skin, you should use this as the second step in your skincare routine. Like right after you wash your face, just go in with this. Your skin will literally drink it up, and this is literally like water. Like look at that, बिल्कुल पानी है ये. It kind of reminds me of a toner, but man, I don't know ये इतना अच्छा काम करेगा. Like मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था, because I read somewhere that use it with your other skincare products like your serums and moisturizers, and you will see better results, because this is actually a booster. This really makes other skincare products penetrate better, work better. I don't know what the technology is, okay? I am not a skincare tech girly, but this just works. I know that because I've seen a difference. So obviously dry skin के लिए तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था मुझे, but when I paired both of them up, I could see that it is working even faster, and especially on my acne spot. So I really love this combo, and I find that this is a very versatile product, and I started using it on my body as well. Like before I moisturize, I use it like especially on my legs, because my legs are super dry before I moisturize, and it makes the moisturizer work better as well. So yeah, this is an amazing product, and I think regardless of your skin type, you should definitely invest in this. I have another serum for you guys, and this is the Innisfree Retinol Cica Repair Ampule. This product is really good, because if you are a beginner in retinol and you don't know where to start from, and retinol is something जो ना आप उसके साथ risk नहीं ले सकते, because it can really make you break out a lot if you use it wrong, and if you're not using the right type of retinol. This has Cica as well, so it is very calming and gentle. So अगर आप एक beginner हो ना, आपको ये definitely try out करना चाहिए. I know it's a little expensive, but with this you need like very little amount. You can use it all over your face, on your neck. I also used it on my back because I was getting some acne, and it worked really well on my acne as well. Now this will not show you instant results or anything, but I think this is a very good skincare product for beginners, like beginners in retinol. It has Cica, it will calm your skin, and your skin will get ready for like a higher dose of retinol, if that makes any sense. Also, if your skin does not like very concentrated and very like high on actives product. Again, this is a very gentle serum and I could see a difference. The progress is slow but धीरे धीरे आपको अपने skin के texture में difference दिखेगा and you will see that it is working on your bumps and your acne scars and all of that. With any skincare product you have to use it a lot and then only you can tell whether it works for you or not. I used this for like 2 months and उसके बाद ही I understood what exactly it is doing for my skin and I really liked it, and I would again recommend this if you're a beginner or if you're someone who does not like very highly concentrated actives on their skin. Next is another Innisfree product. This is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. This is what it looks like. I have used quite a bit of this. Now I am not very good with masking, like मैं भूल जाती हूँ usually, but जब भी my skin is going through a lot of stress, like I can see, जैसे अभी ना मेरे forehead पे इतना texture हो रहा है, मुझे breakouts हो रहे हैं. This is something I go for because I know my skin is very congested. Whenever I'm doing like back-to-back things and I'm not removing my makeup properly or I'm not able to do my skincare properly and then I can see texture and bumps and this and that, I go with this because this really helps to clean out your pores. This is a pore cleansing mask. It will really get rid of all the gunk, but it is so gentle on my skin. It is not stripping at all and that is why I like it. Usually clay mask ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा stripping होता है, आपकी skin को बिल्कुल dry कर देते हैं. ये भी dry करता है but excessively नहीं करता. Normal रहती है आपकी skin and उसके बाद you can go in with your skincare and stuff like other products. It also like helps to clean out my nose and like the gunk there. And मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा texture वगैरह होने लगा है. So yeah, so every time I see my skin acting up, I go in with this and it helps to calm down my skin, clean my skin properly, and this is the only mask I have been using for a while now. If you have more mask recommendations, let me know. I will definitely try them out. But if you're looking for a nice mask, like weekly mask, then you can check this one out. Okay, I have a moisturizer from Medicube. This is the Deep Vita C Capsule Cream. The packaging is very bougie. So this is a Korean brand. I'm sure you guys have heard of Medicube. So इसके अंदर ना ये जेल आता है and then you have like these vitamin C के क्या बोलते हैं इनको, है बस beads जैसे ही है ये. Initially I did not understand the concept of this and for the longest time I did not like this product, but then one fine day I saw the results on my face and I understood कि ये product exactly क्या कर रहा है मेरे skin के लिए. You know, it is important for me to understand कि ये product काम भी कर रहा है कि नहीं. So मैं एक टाइम पे एक ही प्रोडक्ट टेस्ट करती हूँ unless it's like sunscreen and serum और ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन में कुछ. सो पहले ये सब हुआ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था and I did not really like it, but then once I kept on using it during winter season, by the way, I understood that it really helps to moisturize your skin and it makes your skin glow a lot. It smoothens texture. Basically you have to mix the gel with the vitamin C capsule जो इसके अंदर है ना. आपको एक निकालना है, मैं वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहती, बहुत महंगा है, चलो करके दिखाई देते हैं आपको. आपको ऐसे एक स्कूप आउट करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू मिक्स द बोथ एंड देन अप्लाई इट ऑन योर फेस. इट विल इनिशियली फील वेरी थिक बट थिक नहीं है वो क्योंकि वो जेल है. सो आप उसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करोगे ना, इट विल blend it in and you can see that glow and that instant shine ना. तो ये स्किन पे ऐसा ही रहेगा, like आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लो करेगी. it will look very radiant. It also helps to smoothen texture. It feels really good on the skin, like really like it feels like a very like luxurious bougie product. It has a fragrance. If you are very sensitive to fragrance, you might not like this. I'm not super sensitive to fragrance, so I really like this. It moisturizes really well and I use this as the last step in my skincare routine. And once I started to see like that radiant finish, glow on my skin and saw ki texture and all come ho gaya, then I realized that it is this moisturizer that is doing its job and it did it quite well. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice high-end moisturizer, this you will really like, and I have been using this almost the entire winter on and off and अभी तक इसमें इतना सारा product है, so this will last you a long time as well. I have a sunscreen recommendation and that is from Biore. This is the Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence Sunscreen SPF PA+++. Is this Korean or Japanese? I'm not sure, but मैंने इसको सबसे पहले जापान से खरीदा था and उसके बाद से I've been obsessed with this sunscreen. I love this so much. This is what it looks like, and again it blends so easily. It feels so light on the skin, and even though इसका formula बिल्कुल lightweight है and non-sticky है, it still is not drying. Like some sunscreens feel very dry, like it makes your face feel very dry. This does not do that. Also it does not pill, and it looks really good under makeup. And अगर आपको समर के लिए कोई अच्छा सनस्क्रीन चाहिए ना जो आपके स्किन को प्रोटेक्ट भी करेगा and you have super oily skin, you will really like it. I mainly use it in the summer because of the lightweight texture and because it's non-sticky, and I already have like 2 tubes of this because you run out of sunscreen so fast. मतलब 1 महीना भी चल जाता है तो बड़ी बात होती है. And now you can find this on Amazon, which is amazing because इस पे भी डिस्काउंट था, मैंने चेक किया था. One thing about this is कि इसमें अल्कोहल है, so you have to check if that is something that irritates your skin or not. It does not irritate mine, and that is why I've just continued to use this. Alright, I have some makeup products as well. How can we not have makeup, right? Okay, this is a new product for me. I stole it from Nidhi. This is the Daily Life Forever 52 High Coverage Tender Cream, and this is what it looks like. इसके यहाँ पे ना एक स्पैचुला भी आता है जो नहीं है हमारे पास, and this is what the product looks like. It reminds me of like थोड़ा पहले के प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे 2016-2017 में ऐसे आते थे ना कंसीलर्स एंड ऑल. सो दिस इज़ एक्चुअली अ फाउंडेशन क्रीम. पहले मुझे लगा था ये मेरे स्किन के लिए अच्छा नहीं होगा बिकॉज यू नो इट बी वेरी थिक एंड इट विल मेक माई स्किन वेरी ऑयली, एंड आई वॉज ब्लोन अवे व्हेन आई यूज दिस. दिस हैज़ सच गुड कवरेज. दिस इज़ वॉट इट लुक्स लाइक. ये इतने ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाता है आपके स्किन में. लाइक आई शो यू गाइस, लाइक आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट वाइल आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू एंड आई एम डन. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. इट ब्लेंड्स इन सो सीमलेसली. इट इज सुपर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. सो इफ यू आर लाइक गेटिंग मैरिड एंड स्टफ, this is something you should keep in your kit because it will give you coverage. You can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a foundation, and it blends like a dream, and it does not feel heavy on your skin. So I have been really liking it, especially because I have like all of those dark spots and all, right? So this has been working really well. I use it like a spot concealer almost, and मुझे ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. मैं पहले जितना इसको लेके डाउटफुल थी, उसको यूज़ करने के बाद मेरे सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए. So this is something that again I would recommend if you're someone who wears makeup for a long period of time or who has like a lot of like acne marks or pigmentation. अगर आपको हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन, मेलाज्मा वगैरह है ना, तो आपको ऐसा कुछ प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगेगा बिकॉज इससे आपको अच्छी कवरेज मिलेगी एंड इट विल नॉट like sit on top of your skin and make your skin feel heavy. So yeah, next product I have shown you guys before, but I want to show you guys again because it is on an offer right now. Next product is by Lakme, and this is the Lakme Bejewel Luminous Skin Tint. My shade is Cool Neutral Nude, and I think I did a pretty great job with the shade. This makes my skin bejewel for real. Like पहले मैंने सोचा था ये प्राइमर है, but actually नहीं. This is a very good skin tint. Can you see that? Instant glow. If you are someone who likes a lot of glow on their face, if you have dry skin, you will really like this product. I just really like how this makes my skin look. Like इसको लगाने के बाद I will lightly set my face and my skin looks glowy, very like nice, and it's like a no makeup look, you know, कि कुछ लगाया है कुछ नहीं लगाया है समझ नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि ऐसा लगता है it's just your skin that is glowing and you look very luminous and all of that. It's a very lightweight product and I've used this so much throughout the winter season. I'll use this, some concealer, powder, and that is it. I'll be good to go. This is what I used for my base today as well, and you can see how my skin is looking. मुझे लगा था इसमें कोई coverage नहीं होगा. It has like थोड़ा बहुत coverage which is enough for a skin tint. So yeah, this is something again that I would recommend. Next I have this Laneige Tinted Lip Serum. Now I know when I showed and reviewed this last year, I said I don't get it and I don't like it, something like that. The shade I have is called Cinnamon Sugar. It comes with this unique donut applicator. That is what they called it. Initially I thought it's a lip balm and I was just like, ये कैसा lip balm? It just feels like a gloss and all of that. I was mistaken. It is a lip tint serum. So it's not a lip balm. It is like a gloss, and now I use it like a gloss. So it works. I'm wearing it right now over another lip tint and I think it looks really nice. The shade is actually super nice. It looks so pretty, and the best thing about this is that this is non-sticky and it is quite long lasting actually. You can eat food and stuff and ये मेरे lips पे तो तब भी रहता है. I like this product and I've been using it a lot. And if you don't wear anything on a day-to-day basis and you want a little tint on your lips and वो जो glossy look होता है ना, वो अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो आपको इससे ज़रूर मिलेगा. And it will also like lightly hydrate your chapped lips because I have very chapped lips and मैं lip oils and ये सब इसीलिए लगाती हूँ ताकि मेरे lips ना hydrated रहे. So yeah, this does that as well. Again, a really good product that you can include in your like day-to-day makeup, and also you can travel with this for reapplication. The last product is a very unique product and it is by Nexxus, yeah. This is their hair serum. It's called the Pro-Mend Oil Resurrection for Hair. It's not an oil though, it's a hair serum. The packaging is very unique. मुझे थोड़ा time लगा packaging figure out करने में. इसको ऐसे आप खोलोगे and ये इसका dropper है basically. So the packaging is very bougie because the product is high end. And पहले I was just like, it's just another serum, but it's not, because this really tames your flyaways and this is so light. It feels like nothing on your hair. मतलब ये hair oil बोल रहे हैं but ये बिल्कुल भी oily नहीं है. It is so light and look at that. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा light है. It smells like a high-end perfume. This is like the best final touch to your hair. Look at that, like shiny. My flyaways are tamed. My hair looks really nice. Like after I straightened it, I used this as a final like step and I really like how my hair turned out. For the longest time I was using L'Oreal का serum and then another like random serum I had, and बहुत time के बाद मुझे एक hair serum इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया. This works really well for the hair. I'm really surprised with the results in the best way possible, and I think because ये आपके frizz and वो सारे फ्लाईअवेज को इतने अच्छे से टेम कर देता है ना, तो आई थिंक ये बहुत अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट है फॉर लाइक द अपकमिंग समर एंड जो ये रेनी वेदर होने वाला है जहाँ पे आपके बालों की बैंड बजने वाली है, उस वेदर के लिए ये बहुत सही रहेगा. आई होप दैट इट वर्क्स रियली वेल ड्यूरिंग दोज सीजन्स एज वेल. लाइक राइट नाउ आई एम लविंग दिस फॉर माई हेयर. एंड या दोज आर ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव फॉर यू इन दिस वीडियो. लेट मी नो इफ you've used any of these products or if you have more recommendations for me to try out, and I will definitely do that. And again, you can find all of these on Amazon on a great discount. Don't forget to check out the description box for the links. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.